Okay, in this segment we're going to do a parallel break for you. Okay, no, just kidding. So what we're going to do is show you from a side view, and then we're going to give you two other angles from my back to and Monica's. And really this kind of gives you that parallel feel to it on the break steps, okay? So let's go from closed position this time. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. See, nice and easy. All right, let's do it with my back to you. This time we're going to actually have two hand hold position. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Good. All right, now with Monica's back to you, you can see how the break step is really kind of just turn slightly on both sides. Okay? Ready? And, all right, let's move this over just a tad bit. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Good. All right, so you can see how that works, closed or open, and really it's about you rotating, gentlemen. All right, remember that. Ladies are just following. So if you need more details, go to your private lesson style videos and get more details, more options, and then come on back for your next pattern.